Is your vacuum not sucking as well as it could be? This could be the problem, but I have a solution for that. This is where my shop vac lives, right outside my shop. I placed it out here, that way I can run it inside without the blaring vacuum noise, which can really be annoying. I haven't changed this filter in probably about a year. So I'm gonna clean out the vacuum, clean out the filter, and install something on the filter that will hopefully make future cleanings easier. So what is this thing? This is basically a filter cover that goes over pretty much any size filter because it cinches up to any filter. And this one's not a huge one, so it should fit it perfectly. And even if it's a little baggy, it's not a problem. It is a fine, fine mesh. So it's gonna catch a lot of that finer debris and any debris and make cleaning of the filter easier. Now, you may be thinking, just buy a new filter. They're like $15 to $20, right? Yeah, you can, but why? You don't need to. I've been cleaning vacuum filters out like this since I started the detailing business. I've maybe purchased a handful of vacuum filters in this entire time that I've been in business. And that's a savings of what, $100? It's not a big deal. But I'm not one to throw things away if you don't need to. Clean them and reuse them. I also don't throw away microfiber towels that I use for ceramic coatings unless they get crunchy. Otherwise, I wash them and I reuse them for other things. Don't be wasteful. Save stuff, clean stuff, reuse stuff. So this is an option if you want to reuse your filter all the time. In fact, you probably won't need to buy a filter ever. Just buy one of these. And this you can clean out as well. So we have a new vacuum filter. Now let's put this thing on. So the new vacuum filter pops on super easy, and this will cover the entire thing. And it can be loose and floppy, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be completely tight. It's meant for all sorts of different sizes. And I'm gonna cinch it tight at the bottom. There you go, you're good to go. Just put this all back together and everything is clean. And this will protect the filter in here from ever getting really dirty again. So all you'll have to do to clean it out is empty the bucket, take this off, wash it out with water, flush it out, let it dry, put it right back on, and you're good as new. Now the vacuum and hose reel that I have here, I've had for a long time. I actually had it in my old trailer system when we were mobile. I have it connected to a remote. And now I can turn it on remotely and it's on 50 feet of line. Now, will you lose suction this way? A tiny, tiny amount, but it's very negligible. I really haven't had any issues with it. But of course, a shorter vacuum hose will get you better suction. However, this system has been working for many years and it's awesome. Not bad. So the vacuum is cleaned out, filter is changed, and that new filter guard is on there as well, and that's gonna help tremendously. So I'll have links down below if you're interested in a vacuum guard like that for your vacuum setup. And I'll put links to the hoses, and if I can find the hose reel, it's actually from a woodworking shop website. So I'll find the link for that and put that in there too. It's actually cheaper than many of the other vacuum hose reels out there. So if you want to see this vacuum in action, I have tons of different videos on our website. I'll put one right here so you can go and check it out and see what this system can actually do. I hope you enjoy it.